Welcome to the English Grammar Quiz. In this video, we've prepared 45 dynamic questions and you'll 10 seconds to answer each question that will test your knowledge of tenses, articles, prepositions, and more. And don't worry if you get stuck, we'll explain the correct answers to help you learn and improve. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting quizzes that will challenge and entertain you. Let's dive into the quiz and put your grammar skills to the test. Which article fits best in I saw apple on the table? The correct answer is B, and used before words starting with a vowel. She is playing football now. Which tense is used? Present continuous tense. Good job. Fill in the blank with correct form of the verb. It's went. The past tense of go is went. Which of the following is a countable noun? Book is the countable noun. You can count books. Question number 5. True or false? Of course. It's true. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like pizza is correct. Keep going. Which word is a noun? Run, happiness, or quickly? Happiness is a noun, as it represents a thing, a feeling. Fill in the blank. I have homework to do. It's much. Much is used with uncountable nouns like homework. What's the correct verb form? Rises is correct. Fill in the blank. It's a used before singular noun starting with a consonant sound. That's true. Because we is plural. Fill in the blank. They football every Sunday. Play is correct. Great job. You was at the party. True or false? False. It should be were. That's true. Choose the correct preposition. The answer is B, for. Which sentence uses the comparative form correctly? The correct option is C. More interesting. Fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. She's looking her keys. The answer is B, for. Means searching for something. Which sentence uses a relative clause? The correct option is B, relative clause giving extra information. Choose the correct superlative form. The answer is C, biggest. Great job. Identify the correct preposition. On is used when something is resting on a surface. Fill in the blank. She is at learning languages than her sister. The answer is A, better, the comparative form of good. Question number 22. Choose the correct form of the verb. The answer is B, worked. Which sentence uses a phrasal verb? The correct option is B, phrasal verb meaning to take care of. Fill in the blank with the correct adjective. The answer is B, more exciting. The answer is B. I was tired, so I went to bed. Identify the correct modal verb. That's can. It indicates permission or possibility. Choose the sentence in the passive voice. In the passive voice, the focus is on the action being done. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Option B. I'm used to waking up early. Fill in the blank with the correct conditional. Will get is the correct future verb form. Option B. They were going to the store. Which sentence uses the past perfect tense? Option C is the correct answer. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction. As soon as is used to indicate that one action will happen immediately after another. Choose the correct question tag. Option C. Can you identify the infinitive in this sentence? The infinitive form is to plus verb, so to travel is correct. Which sentence uses the correct auxiliary verb? That's option C. Which sentence uses the subjunctive mood correctly? Option B is the correct answer. Identify the correct sentence with inversion for emphasis. Correct answer is option A. Which sentence uses the correct third conditional structure? That's option C. Choose the sentence that correctly uses an ellipsis. Correct option is B. An ellipsis omits redundant words. Option B, non-defining relative clauses. Commas are used to add extra information. Option B, non-defining relative clauses. Commas are used to add extra information. The correct answer is option A. Question number 43. Identify the sentence with the correct use of a correlative conjunction. Correct answer is C. Which sentence uses reported speech correctly? Option B. In reported speech, the tense changes from present to past. Last question. The past perfect continuous, had been plus verb plus ing, is used to describe an action.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, visit the playlists. Please follow, subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family.